Good morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Karen Emerson, and this is my office manager, receptionist Stephanie, and this is actually my own personal little dog, Ollie. He's around 3 years old, and I'm just using him on here to talk about patelloluxation. And I bet you're wondering, what is patelloluxation? Well, patelloluxation is actually when the kneecap of your dog will actually pop out of place. And we've actually got a kneecap here where when we get close up, I'm going to show you the kneecap and how it will move out of place, because we have this little thing called a trochlear groove here that the kneecap sits in, which we'll talk about that. But what happens with this type of disease is the kneecap, there's not enough groove. So instead of when their dog is walking in the normal range of motion like this, every time they do that range of motion, the kneecap can pop out, and it normally will pop out either on the medial side, and sometimes it can on the lateral, but normally it's on the medial side. And this can cause extreme pain because every time it pops out, it's rubbing that groove, so it's causing severe inflammation and arthritis. And we are actually going to have a special this month where we're doing 15% off these knee surgeries so that we can get more dogs help. We actually, Dr. Jansen and I started doing this procedure a couple years ago. We can do it more economically, and we can help your dog, because this can be extremely painful. Some of the breeds that are predisposed to this are going to be Shih Tzus, Yorkies, Poodles, a lot of your little small breed dogs. And so it's very important every year at their checkups to have their knees checked out. Or if you notice that they're outside running and they just maybe hold their leg up for a little bit and then put it down, or if you notice they're not really jumping up and down on the couch anymore, or they jump down and they scream out in pain, and then some of them will just stop using the leg at all. It's so important to go ahead and get seen by your veterinarian so that we can check these knees, because there's a lot of other stuff besides patelloluxation that can cause issues. So if you have a dog that's occasionally holding that leg up, kind of limping some, showing any signs of arthritis, please call and make that appointment. I promise your pets will thank you.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.